What's up, YouTube? I am Raj, and this is the Modern Wealth channel. Thursday, June 12th, if you haven't heard, there's some beef in the Middle East. Right now, Israel has done a preliminary strike against Iran. So it's been confirmed they targeted over dozens of locations, which had enrichment for nuclear facilities. As you may know, if you've been keeping up with this war, it's been going on for years. Israel does not want Iran to have nuclear weapons. They've been talking about it since last year, maybe bombing their nuclear facilities. So it looks like tonight they finally have. I don't want to speak of war like it's nothing. I feel bad for anyone who's lost their lives or will in this war. War is never good. But right now I want to talk about from a stock, crypto asset standpoint, because this is the Modern Wealth channel, right? To confirm what has happened, a Iranian commander has been killed, Hossein Salami, and Israel has striked over a dozen locations, and that's kind of all we know right now. More is coming out, but the good news is Donald Trump and the United States has come out and said that they will not be dragged into a war, so that's good. We're staying out of it for now. We all know Donald Trump would be on Israel's side, and if need be, China and Russia will back Iran. So let's hope none of that happens. We don't want a World War III. But in my opinion, what's going to happen, this is one of those things that's going to drag out. Iran is definitely going to retaliate, especially since the commander was killed the way it happened. So in my opinion, what happens with stocks is it's going to go down for a while. And I have recently sold out of, I'd say I'm only 5% in right now. So I sold out of 95% of all my stocks and crypto. And before you go calling me, panic seller, I want to talk about why I did that. And it wasn't just because of this war that's going to happen or anything like that. It's been a few other things. Let me break it down. So this is the QQQ or NASDAQ, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, this is a daily chart. Ever since this trade war, Liberation Day was right here. Ever since then, it's kind of been a V-shaped recovery for sure. V-shaped recovery. So in my opinion, right now, if you're a stock trader, if you know anything about the market right now, everything's kind of frothy. Everything's overbought. So I have been slowly, I'm going to go to the hour time chart right now. I have been slowly selling at these tops right here. And today, luckily, I sold a significant amount, especially in my stock NVIDIA. Just for disclosure, I have NVIDIA, I have Meta, I have Ethereum, some Bitcoin, some meme coins, Tesla, but I've sold out of most of it right now. And it's because it's overbought. I mean, if you look at the potential of gains and losses, there's a lot more that can be, let me get rid of these drawings, that can be lost at this point. This fall is a lot more substantial than this climb to all-time highs right here, which is right here. So what would you want to do? Would you want to be here, take a big chance when things aren't going that well, talks with China's aren't improving, Trump's going with his tariffs, there's a lot of civil unrest, California going on, now there's a war in Israel. Do you want to take that chance to go up by this little much, or don't you want to protect yourself in case this big drop happens, which is a pretty big drop? It can easily happen. It happened just last month. So right now I'm protecting myself. I'm protecting my gains. I'm going to keep my money on the side. Cash is king right now, and I'm going to wait to see if there's a better opportunity within the next few months to put my money back into play and see what's good with this market and try to make some more money. That's my plan so far. Let me know if you agree with me. Let me know if my plan is stupid. Maybe I should keep my money in, you think? But what I'm doing, it works for me. Don't copy what I do. Do what you do. I just want to share my state of mind. I'm not panic selling. This is a strategic kind of selling out. So let me know what you're doing. Like this video. Let me know in the comments what you're doing. Peace, guys. Stay safe.